Keeping Up with Miss Electra. So today I'm going to show you how I decorated my powder room, guest bathroom for the holidays, but you can imply this, whatever I'm going to show you in your kid's bathroom, in your bathroom, it doesn't really matter. But anyway, I'm going to show you today how I spruced up my powder bathroom for my guests. So this is the bathroom that my guests use. I don't really use this. My kids don't really use it. So it's like specifically for guests, really. We use it sometimes, but not really. We use our bathrooms upstairs. I don't know why, but we do. All right, so I'm going to turn the camera around and then show you how I decorate it, maybe give you guys some ideas. And I'm going to explain to you where I got everything from. All right, so let me turn the camera around and show you my Christmas powder. Okay, so here's my guest bathroom. I have the lights shut so I can show you guys how it looks, before the guests walk in. So I think that's important too. I think it looks really pretty like in the dark. So I'm gonna turn the lights on to show you guys a better view. But this is how it looks. Isn't it so pretty? I just love it. Right, so let me take you guys in and I'm gonna show you everything, give you a closer look. Okay, so this Santa Claus soap dispenser is from Bed Bath & Beyond. He's so cute, I just love him. And I like because he's like very vintagey looking. And that little star that he's holding lights up and then you can shut it too. It doesn't have to say lit. All right, and this towel I got from, I think that was from Hobby Lobby. And little berry, I guess, with a little kind of like snow on it. I got a Hobby Lobby last year, so I thought it looked cute in there. So then I got this candle from Pure One Import for many years, and I've been burning it for many years. I just love the way this red glass is. And then I put some berries that light up. I think this I got from Bath & Body Works. And then this candle, you can hear it's the wood, and it just like crackles. I just love it. You hear the crackling sound? Because it's wood in there. All right. So, and then this is the lid that goes on top. And when it's shut, it is so cute. I just love it. So, yeah. And then I have a Merry Christmas. That's an ornament. That's from Hobby Lobby, I think last year. I don't even remember, or the following year. And then that's a bell that I've had for many, many years. So I just wanted to put it there, maybe 10 years. And then this is so cute. This is a berry sphere. I think I got that from Pure One Import a few years ago too, so I thought that looked cute up there. So, and these signs are from Michael's spring, summer, I don't even remember. And that sign I got from Amazon. All right, so I think it looks really cute. And then I wanted to show you guys this rug. This rug is from Target. It's from Threshold. I just love it. I think it was $9.99. And look how cute. I just love it because it has all the little houses. And the houses are really popular right now, but I just love them. All little different houses. So I think it looks cute. And I think it's like Christmassy, right? The little houses. So, and I can even use this after Christmas. So that's what's great about it. So that's it. That's my overview of my bathroom. All right, and if you want to see a before and after of this bathroom, how it looked before and how I kind of gave this bathroom a makeover, I'm going to have the video at the end or a link down below, and you can watch how I transformed this little powder room, how it looked before and how it looks now. All right, so you can go watch that video too. All right, guys, so I hope you like my powder room, and if you like my powder room, give this video a thumbs up. Share my video, tell a friend, and then let me know down below if you're going to spruce up any of your bathrooms for the holiday. Alright, so I hope I gave you guys some good ideas. Alright, I hope you guys are having a beautiful holiday season. I have more videos to come. I will see you in my next video. Bye!